Let's look at installing your Grade plugin for the Wisnet Moodle connector. Click on Choose a File and choose your Grade plugin. Like your authentication or your enrollment plugin, it's not going to be named as a Grade plugin. We have given it a name called Local. The reason it's a local plugin is because the Grade plugin works real time. As soon as you grade a student in Moodle, it automatically grades the student in Wisnet at the same time. The authentication and the enrollment plugins work on a cron job, so it runs every 10 minutes. The grade cannot be delayed, and hence it's a local plugin which pushes the grades as soon as you grade someone in Moodle. Once you click on Upload this file, you will be able to install the plugin from the zip file. Like any other plugin, as soon as you click on Install, you should get the message that it's been successfully installed and the validation has been successful. Now, scroll down to your plugins under your site administration and look for local plugins. Under your local plugins, click Manage Local Plugins. So if you don't find the plugin in here, then there's been an issue with your Wisnet Connector local plugin. So you just have to reinstall it, and of course, if you're still unable to work with it, please do log a ticket and we should be able to help you with it. Now, under your local plugins, click on Wisnet Connector Grades. This will bring up your settings page. It's very easy to set your Grade plugin. The URL is exactly what you use for your enrollment and your authentication. So it starts with the https:// your 3-letter unique ticker symbol -api.wisnet.co. We will be sending you the URL in an email. The 3-letter code can also be found from your LRM learners and the ref internal number. The first 3 alphabets of your student number is your ticker code. Ensure the entire URL is in lowercase. The username and password is what you set up for your Moodle connector account from Wisnet. You can click on Unmask to look at the password if it's correct. Then click Enabled. Choose the country, whether it's Australia or New Zealand, that you're setting up for, and click Save Changes. Now you've installed your Grade connector.